So you're gonna come to COCHON555. You're gonna get 5 chefs, 5 pigs, 5 winemakers in a friendly competition for a cause. Our goal with the event is to really talk about heritage breed pigs and how they can be applied to different segments in restaurant industries.
We're here to support heritage breed pig farming. That's what this is all about. You get to experience food that you'll never get anywhere else.
We're trying to bring the conversation of healthier, safer, better eating to the tabletop.